Guys, I'm going to show you how to recharge your air conditioning unit with some new 134A refrigerant. Now, first thing for the Dodge trucks here is you have to find your low side pressure. And it's not this one, this is the high side pressure. The low side pressure is right back here by the condenser, right there. So what I like to do is, I'm going to try and do this with one hand, I like to attach the can first, like so. Now it's about 80 degrees out here, so I'm going to adjust this to, well, it's already set there, 80 degrees. Now we're going to go start the truck. We're going to turn the air all the way up. Full blast, air's on. Alright, so it's running now. Now we're going to come here. We're going to check out and see how much we got. So this is it running. And it can need a charge there, so you just pull the trigger, shake a little bit, the can will start getting cool, and you want to get it between those two red lines that we adjusted for the temperature. So and it's hard with these new systems, it's pretty hard to overfill, but give it a shake. You'll hear the engine kind of pull that in. It may take a bit. And to test it out, go feel your air, see if it's cool. It should get cold pretty quick though. I could probably use some more. The truck doesn't have a leak as far as I know. It's from 2003, so it just wasn't blown as cold as what, you know, when I first bought the thing. What's nice about these cans is they have a reusable top, so once this can is done, you can attach it to another one. But I think she's about halfway, and you could just store it for the next time you need some. So yeah, you guys get the gist of it. And then I like to shut the car down, turn off the air and shut her down before I remove it, just because of the high pressure and stuff that's going on in there. And then you basically just screw the cap back on and call it a day. So let's remove this bad boy right there. Pull that out of there. Put the cap right here. Twist it back on, and you're done.